Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and welcome back to online classes of Iqra Fast by Secondary Schools, our project of Iqra Education System. Dear students of class 8, in the last video lecture, we discussed about comparative adjective in parallel structures. Today in this video lecture, we will pick up the second topic of unit number 6, that is relative pronouns. I hope you have already understood about kinds of pronouns or the types of pronouns. Overall, there are 9 different kinds of pronouns. 9 kinds of pronouns. We have already discussed probably 8 kinds, 6 as a chart and 2 separately. This is the 9th pronoun which I am going to explain you today. Just to give you a review of the previous kinds of pronouns, I'll make a list of them. Here you are. These are 9 kinds of pronouns totally written on the board here. We divide these 9 kinds, first 6 kinds in 3 groups. Personal pronouns, in which we count subject pronouns and object pronouns. Subject pronouns I, we, you, they, he, she, it. And object pronouns me, us, you, them, him, her, it. And then possessive pronouns, determinant pronouns and possessive pronouns. These 2 pronouns are called possessive pronouns. These 2 pronouns are called personal pronouns. So 4 different kinds of pronouns here. And then these 2 kinds of pronouns are called self pronouns, reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. Myself, yourself, herself, themselves, etc. Then number 7 is demonstrative pronoun, this, that, these and those. And number 8 is interrogative pronoun. When, where, who, why, what, all these are interrogative pronoun. And then comes number 9, relative pronouns, what we are discussing right now. Relative pronoun is actually a pronoun that takes the place of nouns or pronouns. ऐसा प्रोनाउन जो है वो किसी नाउन या प्रोनाउन को रिप्लेस करता है. देखें, रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस के 3 पॉइंट्स मैंने यहां पर लिखे हैं. जिस भी प्रोनाउन में ये 3 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पाई जाएंगी उसे हम रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन कहेंगे. ऐसा प्रोनाउन जो किसी नाउन या प्रोनाउन को रिप्लेस करे, उसकी जगह पर आए. नंबर 2 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, they always relate back to somebody or something. Relative pronoun हमेशा किसी somebody या something को relate करता है, वापस relate करता है, उसके बारे में बताता है. ठीक है. Number 3, they join 2 simple sentences about the same person or thing. ये pronoun 2 simple sentences को या यूं कह लें 2 clauses को आपस में ज्वाइन करता है. और ये दोनों सिंपल सेंटेंसेस या दोनों क्लॉजेस एक ही शख्स या एक ही चीज या एक ही जानवर व्हाटएवर किसी एक नाउन या प्रोनाउन की बात कर रहे होते हैं. तो जिन प्रोनाउंस में ये 3 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होंगी उन्हें हम रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन कहेंगे. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू ऑल? रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन क्या है? ऐसा प्रोनाउन जो किसी नाउन या प्रोनाउन की जगह पर आए. नंबर 2, they always relate back to somebody or something, कि relative pronoun हमेशा किसी somebody और something को relate करेगा, इसीलिए इसका नाम relative pronoun है. ठीक है, ये relate करता है. और तीसरी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कि ये 2 simple sentences को यानी कि 2 clauses को आपस में join करता है और ये दोनों clauses किसी एक ही शख्स या एक ही चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं. We will further study these things with the help of examples and some more definitions. Here in relative pronouns, we will be discussing these 3 relative pronouns: who, which and that. Who refers to somebody among others, while which refers to something among others. Which means who for somebody, which for something. And that refers to somebody or something specific, यानी कि who somebody को रेफर करता है, which something को रेफर करता है, that हम somebody और something या something दोनों ही के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको relative pronoun में somebody के लिए इस्तेमाल करना है तो आप who का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, something के लिए इस्तेमाल करना है तो which का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, जबकि that, somebody और something दोनों के लिए इस्तेमाल हो सकता है। I'll give you some examples on the board. Here you can see I have given you some examples of who, which and that. Let's understand these three relative pronouns with the help of examples. I called my brother who lives in Dubai. First I will read out all these 6 sentences, then I will explain you the relation between the noun and the relative pronoun. I called my brother who lives in Dubai. Do not meet the people who you do not like. He lost the wristwatch which his father had gifted him. Relative pronouns is the topic which I am teaching you today. Hard work is the key that opens door to success. Pakistan was the first Muslim country that invented nuclear bomb. Here you can see, my dear students, in red I have written all the relative pronouns. You can see who, which and that. And I have underlined with blue the nouns along with the relative pronoun to show the relation between them. Because this who is relating back to my brother. I called my brother who lives in Dubai. So this who is relating back to my brother. This who is relating back to the people. This which is relating back to wristwatch, and this which is relating back to the topic. This that is relating back to the key, and this that is relating back to the first Muslim country. Now we will go through some exercises in the book. So my brothers, open page number 124. Page number 124. I'll wait for you. Meanwhile, you open the page number 124, and then we will go through these 3 exercises given on pages number 124 and 125 in our book in the language practice section of unit number 6, sportsmanship. Here you can see exercise 1 is given on page number 124. There are 2 columns, column A and column B. Okay? You need to match these columns, these 2 columns, A to B. Alright? What you have to do is, you only have to mark the sentence in column number A to the sentence in column number B. You can take a pen and you can do so. You have to do this exercise in your books. But before you start this work, do not forget to mention English and Islamic date on the top of page number 124. Everybody, first mention the date on page number 124 and then start the work. You can see sentence number 1 is, the farmer found the goat. The farmer found the goat. Which sentence in column B do you think completes this sentence? The farmer found the goat. Yes, very correct. Sentence number 5 in column B. Very good, excellent. Sentence number 5 in column B matches with the sentence number 1 in column A. The farmer found the goat which had been stolen from his farm. The farmer found the goat which had been stolen from his farm. So here, which is relating back to the goat. आप देख सकते हैं, द फार्मर फाउंड द गोट्स which had been stolen from his farm. Sentence number 2. One of our neighbors. Complete the sentence in column B. Very correct. Sentence number 7 in column B. Sentence number 7 in column B matches with the sentence number 2 in column A. One of our neighbors who travels a lot has gone to Canada. One of our neighbors who travels a lot has gone to Canada. So the sentence number 1 in column A matches with the sentence number 3 in column B. ठीक है, कॉलम ए का जो सेंटेंस नंबर 1 है वो कॉलम बी के सेंटेंस नंबर 5 से, सॉरी नॉट 3, 5 से, कॉलम ए का सेंटेंस नंबर 1 कॉलम बी के सेंटेंस नंबर 5 से मैच हुआ. द फार्मर फाउंड द गोट विच हैड बीन स्टोलन फ्रॉम हिज फार्म. और फिर सेंटेंस नंबर 2 कॉलम ए का सेंटेंस नंबर 7 कॉलम बी के मैच हुआ. वन ऑफ आवर नेबर्स हु ट्रैवल्स अ लॉट हैज गॉन टू कनाडा. देन सेंटेंस नंबर 3, आई वांट टू ईट एन एग. ये तो बहुत ही आसान है. वेरी करेक्ट. Somebody already has answered this. That has 2 yolks. I want to eat an egg that has 2 yolks. So you can see sentence number 3 of column A matches with the sentence number 1 in column B. कॉलम ए का जो सेंटेंस 3 है वो कॉलम बी के सेंटेंस नंबर 1 से मैच करता है. नंबर 4, they sold the house. G. What sentence in column B do you think will match with this sentence in column A? They sold the house. Very correct. That they had bought last year. Sentence number 6. यानी कि 4, कॉलम ए का 4 कॉलम बी के 6 से मैच कर रहा है. They sold the house that they had bought last year. Sentence number 5. Their new teacher. Their new teacher. जी, सेंटेंस बी के किस सेंटेंस से ये, कॉलम बी के किस सेंटेंस से ये मैच कर रहा है? Their new teacher. Very correct. Last sentence in column B. Their new teacher who sings beautifully is absent today. Their new teacher who sings beautifully is absent today. Number 6, Zamir owns the shop. G. किस से मैच करेगा? Zamir owns the shop. Very correct. Zamir owns the shop which has 5 doors. Very correct. Sentence number 4 से मैच करेगा B के. कॉलम A का 6 कॉलम B के 4 से मैच करेगा. Zamir owns the shop which has 5 doors. Number 7, my grandfather. It's very easy. Somebody has already answered. Who used to live with us now lives with my uncle. कॉलम ए का 7 कॉलम बी के 3 से मैच कर रहा है. My grandfather who used to live with us now lives with my uncle. And last one is left. It was our class team that won the volleyball match. It was our class team that won the volleyball match. आप इसको पेन की मदद से सेंटेंसेस को मैच कर देंगे. This was just a drilling for you people. Already given थे कि that आएगा, which आएगा, और आपको सिर्फ मैच करना था. Let's move to exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 in your books, everybody. Here you can see I have written 5 sentences on the board, 3 from the beginning and 2 randomly. 1, 2, 3, 5 and 9. Exercise number 2 says fill in the blanks with who, which or that as appropriate. Write on the complete sentences, okay? Number 1, I know the maid dash broke the new tray. अब आपको ये बात पता है कि डैश से पहले जितने भी नाउन्स आ रहे हैं उन्हीं को रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन रिलेट करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये सारे वर्ड्स या फ्रेजेस इन सेंटेंसेस में जो मैंने ब्लू से अंडरलाइन किए हैं, ये वो वर्ड्स हैं या वो नाउन्स हैं जिनके लिए हमें यहाँ रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन लगाना है। देख सकते हैं आप। So I know the maid dash broke the new tray. The maid. इस the maid के लिए who, which और that में से कौन सा relative pronoun यूज करेंगे? Very correct. We will use who. Excellent. Okay, number 2. The book dash has a yellow sticker belongs to us. अब यहाँ पर the book को कौन सा pronoun relate करेगा? Relative pronoun. Which has a yellow sticker belongs to us. Excellent. My friend had painted the house that we sold yesterday. The house को कौन सा? Yes, very correct. That. The woman dash is wearing blue shawl is my sister. कौन सा pronoun, relative pronoun, the woman को? Yes, who is wearing? Very correct. The ice cream dash is in this tub is better. G, the ice cream को. Very good. Which? I'm going to write down all these pronouns in their blanks. अच्छा, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ कि मैंने यहाँ पर who यूज किया the maid के लिए, the book के लिए which, the house के लिए that, the woman के लिए who और the ice cream के लिए which. Is that clear? अच्छा, अब सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि हम तो that का इस्तेमाल somebody और something दोनों के लिए कर सकते हैं, तो फिर इस who की जगह that क्यों नहीं आ सकता? which की जगह that क्यों नहीं आ सकता? इस who की जगह that क्यों नहीं आ सकता? इस which की जगह that क्यों नहीं आ सकता? और यहाँ पर हमने that ही क्यों इस्तेमाल किया? the house के लिए which क्यों नहीं आ सकता? सवाल ये है ना, तो मैंने आपको बताया था at the beginning of this video कि हम who और which का इस्तेमाल करते हैं among others. Who refers to somebody among others, which refers to something among others. जबकि that somebody or something, लेकिन specific यहाँ देखें I know the maid who broke the new tray. अब यहाँ पर हो सकता है हम जो who का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं कि एक से ज्यादा maids हैं, तो among others में से हमने who का इस्तेमाल किया maid के लिए, ठीक है। इसी तरह books यहाँ पर और भी हो सकती हैं, लेकिन among others में हमने which का इस्तेमाल किया कि 4-5 बुक्स हैं, ठीक है, और उसमें जो येलो स्टिकर वाली बुक है वो बुक असद की है। 2 मेड्स हैं हमारे आती हैं, लेकिन जिसने ट्रे तोड़ी उसकी बात हो रही है। इसी तरह द हाउस में डैश वी सोल्ड यस्टरडे, हमने कोई 2-3 हाउस सोल्ड नहीं किए भाई, हमने तो एक ही घर सोल्ड किया ना। कौन बंदा अपने 2-3 घर सोल्ड कर देता है, ठीक है। तो यहां पर तो द हाउस के लिए चॉइस ही नहीं है, हाउस है ही वो जो हमने कल बेच दिया, तो यहाँ पर चॉइस नहीं है, स्पेसिफिक है, तो दैट का इस्तेमाल किया। हो सकता है वुमेन बहुत सारी हो, उनमें से ब्लू शॉल वाली, तो अमंग अदर्स वो हो गया। आइसक्रीम 2 रखी हुई है, 2 टब्स में आइसक्रीम रखी हुई है, ठीक है, एक वनीला फ्लेवर की है और एक मैंगो फ्लेवर की है। वनीला फ्लेवर की आइसक्रीम के बारे में कहा कि इस टब में जो आइसक्रीम है विच इज इन दिस टब, ठीक है। तो जहां पर हमारे पास among others की चॉइस होती है, वहां पर हम who या which का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। जहां among others की चॉइस ना हो, स्पेसिफिक बात होगी, वहां that का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। I hope you have understood this. You need to complete this exercise number 2 and then exercise number 3 on pages number 124 and 125. Here you can see I have written your homework. You people may note down this homework in your diaries. Do exercises 2 and 3 in the book for language practice unit number 6. ये जो हमारा सेकंड टॉपिक है relative pronoun का, इसकी exercise number 2 and 3 आपको बुक में करनी है। We will meet again with some more things to study. We have today completed alhamdulillah unit number 6. We will pick up some topics from composition and some topics from grammar in the next upcoming video lectures. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.